Why Squarespace is good for nonprofits. Every dollar your nonprofit spends on a website is a dollar not spent on your mission. So, let's talk about why Squarespace is the smart, credible choice. And I'll show you one of our templates and 2 real nonprofit projects along the way. Point 1. Donations done affordably. Squarespace accepts one-time and recurring donations natively through Stripe and PayPal. Point 2. One platform, no tech team. Hosting, security, forms, email campaigns, an events calendar, a blog, all in one place. And crucially, your volunteers and staff can update it, not just the developer. For a lean nonprofit, that independence is everything. Point 3. A template built for mission-driven orgs. Let's take Fidelity. It's our versatile, multi-purpose template built specifically for nonprofits and content-heavy organizations. It comes with 12 pre-made pages, including Home, About, History and Mission, Impact, Support Us, Donate, Events, and Careers. Everything a nonprofit actually needs is already structured for you. You just add your story. Point 4. Credibility that earns trust. Here's why structure matters. We designed a custom site for Alfred-friendly press partners, an organization that trains journalists for 40 years. The homepage opens with a powerful, full-width hero, a real war reporter in the field, paired with a headline celebrating 4 decades of impact. We use strong stats like 82+ countries trained and 840+ fellows, plus real quotes from fellows. That's how you build trust online. Resonant photography, hard numbers, and real human stories. Donors give to organizations that look legitimate, and Squarespace makes that achievable. Point 5. It works for any cause. And it's flexible for any community. Wildfire U used one of our templates to build an approachable, community-focused site for Canadian wildland fighters. A completely different audience and tone. Same platform. Whatever your cause, the structure adapts. Start small, add memberships, events, and fundraising campaigns as you scale, with no rebuild. Look as credible as your cause. Our nonprofit templates and these case studies are linked below.